Hi students. I wanted to reinforce our first guitar chord sheet with some demonstrations of the top line. Now the top line is A, D, and E, and we did do this Saturday. The A chord, remember that you don't play the sixth string, so I'll put my pick on the fifth string and I'll put my fingers as close together as they can possibly be, because they're all three of them are on the second fret of the D, G, and B strings respectively. And an A should sound like this. Okay, let's do 15 together. Ready, play. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Now, the second chord is the D chord. It looks kind of like an upside down pyramid. And you put your first finger on the second fret of the G string, the third string, and then your second finger on the second fret of the first string, and then you put your ring finger. Let me make that. So the first finger on the second fret of the G, second finger, second fret of the E, and then your ring finger falls down naturally. And remember to try to play close to the fret wires. And the D sounds like this. And you're only playing 4, 3, 2, 1. And remember, this chord is movable. All right, let me go back to the diagram. And let's do 15 Ds together. Remember, 4, 3, 2, 1 are the strings that are strummed. Ready, play. 12, 14, 15. Now, with that learned, those two chords, we have a song we did, and that was Wild Thing, and it was down strums. It was just. So the E was the chord that we need to finish to play this song, and the E is the first finger on the first fret of the G. The second finger skips over a string and it's playing the second fret of the A, and then the ring finger is playing the second fret of the D string. And you play all the strings. Okay, let's look at the E chord diagram, the top right, and let's do 15 together. Ready, play. 5, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. All right, excellent. Now, without going to the sheet music, I said it was just, it's A, D, E, and D make up the Wild Thing song, Wild Thing by the Troggs. And it was just. Now, it's 2 A's, then 2 D's, but then you play another D with the hands up. And then you play an E, back to the D, That's a G, A, G, A. Okay, let's look at the G chord. The G is first finger on the second fret of the A, second finger, third fret of the sixth string, the low E, and then your ring finger, third finger, is on the third fret of the first string. And let me demonstrate that. So first finger, second fret of the A, second finger, third fret of the low E, and then ring finger, third fret of the high E, the first string. And it sounds like this. Now remember, you have 3 open strings in the middle. If your elbow isn't into the right, if you're playing flat fingered, you'll dampen, you'll touch these open strings with your second finger and first finger. So you don't want to play like this. You want to play like this. So every string sings. Okay, let's do 15 G's together. Let me go back to the sheet. 1, 2, 15. Okay, and the part of Wild Thing that's not just A, B, E, and D is the hook that Wild Thing, I think I love you, but I wanna know for sure. Come on. Now, of course, take it much slower. First, get the chords so they're not compromised, they're not faulty or not speaking, and then work on. And you may want to give yourself a measure of rest in between A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2. 1, 2, etc. All right. Thanks for watching.